By age 50, around 80% of all women will encounter some thinning or hair loss. And of that hair loss, 95% is androgenetic or permanent. But hair is an imperative part of a woman's personality. General causes of hair loss in women include heredity, qualities, and aging, as well as hormone imbalances, medications, infections, illnesses, chemical hair treatments, or nutrition, and obsessive hair pulling or trichotillomania. The solution? Scalp Micro Pigmentation. SMP strengthens and adds density to thinning areas of the hair, creating thicker and stronger hair. Individual pigments are applied to the epidermis layer of the scalp. SMP uses an innovative, non-invasive, and guaranteed solution with instant results. We've performed SMP treatments on thousands of clients and maintained a 5-star Google business rating throughout. Visit us at www.Scalp Designs to learn more about how we can help you with your hair loss.